Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm here after like 7 to 8 months to share about something about writing. So let's start how to actually begin with writing. So many people ask so many questions on Instagram that how one should start writing actually in a clear manner. So these are some points which I want to discuss with you briefly. The first one is read. Just read whatever you like to read. It means that it doesn't matter what are you reading. Just whenever you start reading, whenever you want to develop a habit of reading, just start reading whatever you like to read. Don't rely on like anything newspapers or the things which are related to politics or anything that is not likable to you. Read anything that is likable to you, that can be a politics or current affairs or anything. Second thing is, try to highlight your words and phrases you find attractive. This is very important when it comes to writing. I myself do this. So just highlight. You should have one like highlighter or pencil in your hand while reading, and just write. Just highlight those points, those words, those what should I say, juicy words or juicy phrases. The words or phrases which you find very attractive, you should highlight them while reading, so that later on you will remember, right? The third one is keep a notebook aside while reading anything to make notes for new words and phrases. This is what I do myself. That you should have any page or any notebook, so that whenever you find new words or phrases, you can while highlighting, you can also write them aside on any notebook and any page, or even on your cell phone. You can save them for later use, right? The fourth one is read for 1 hour on daily basis or minimum 30 minutes. Whenever a person who wants to like develop the habit of reading or writing, he should read for 30 minutes minimum per day. And after developing that habit, he should increase the timings. There's a quote I want to share with you, that those who are the good readers, they become the good writers. So, reading is a skill which you should opt for if you want to be a writer. If you want to be the best writer, you should be the best reader. And the last one is, while writing, try to use words, phrases, and which you note down when you read. I actually do this, that whenever I note down all those words which I find attractive or which are new for me, I just write them on a proper notebook. Then when I write anything, any article or anything related to like that can be related to any news or current affair, I just try to use those words and those phrases in my writing. So it helps me in two ways, that it makes my writing more attractive, and also it makes me remember those words and phrases for later use, right? So you should do this in your writing. So that's all for today. Okay.